Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to connect your Coinbase account to your Coinbase wallet. It's important to understand that these are two separate products from the same company. Your Coinbase account is for buying, selling, and holding crypto on an exchange, while Coinbase Wallet is a self-custody wallet giving you full control over your assets and access to the broader Web3 ecosystem. Linking them makes transferring funds between the two much simpler and more efficient. Before we begin the connection process, there are a couple of quick preparatory steps. First, make sure you have both the Coinbase application and the Coinbase Wallet application downloaded and installed on your mobile device. Second, please ensure you are already logged into both your Coinbase Exchange account and your Coinbase Wallet. This will make the authorization process much smoother and quicker, saving you time. Now, let's link your accounts. Open your Coinbase Wallet application. At the bottom of the screen, you will find a navigation bar. Tap on the Settings icon. Within the Settings menu, scroll down until you see the option labeled Connect to Coinbase and tap it. You will then be prompted to sign into your main Coinbase account to authorize the connection. Review the permissions requested and confirm to complete the linking process. Once your accounts are successfully linked, you can effortlessly transfer cryptocurrencies between your Coinbase account and your Coinbase wallet. This integration allows you to fund your self-custody wallet with ease. With your Coinbase wallet, you gain access to a vast world of decentralized applications, often called dApps, and the broader Web3 space. Remember, with Coinbase Wallet, you hold your own private keys, giving you full ownership and control over your digital assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.